the one word that describes this whole trip is probably fun, because it was fun learning about all the different things and how to collect rainwater. The two things I've learned today is that one thing, how to do rainwater harvesting, like all the tanks and how to collect with the flat roof and all. And then a second thing I learned is there are other ways except rainwater harvesting to collect rainwater, like these tanks and these fiber, and like then there's a tank underneath, and then all the dirt settles down, and then it even collects all the dirt that gets collected by the cloth, so that it's like okay to take a bath and not exactly to drink with. The one interesting fact is that when I read about the bamboo gutter, I didn't really think it was made of bamboo, but then I was astonished that it was actually made of real bamboo, and it was like connected by those metal pipes.